Hey everybody, this is Geetwa. Welcome to my kitchen. Let's make some cacao. This is where my morning begins. I take a cup of water, I pour it into a jug. It's going to go onto the fire. Use 100% cacao, a tablespoon. Put my intention into the cacao and I wait a little. Place the cacao on a low heat. The cacao should never be boiling hot. It should always go to room temperature. Cacao is quite strong. Use maple. 1 tablespoon of cacao. I will give 1 tablespoon of maple. A little bit of cinnamon lifts up the cacao. Keep stirring. Choose a nice cup that you enjoy drinking from. So this is the cacao. There is no better taste than this. The cacao opens up the heart, it opens up the body, but it brings in that sense of calmness, a sense of alignment that we're all looking for. It's the best way to start your day and it's a great way to end it. If you come to the gatherings, you will leave with a little gift. The recipe with all its extras, a little cacao tablespoon, a candle, so you can begin the day, start this process on your own.